On today's tutorial, we learn how to turn into anything live in OBS. Let's take a look. Heyo, I'm Andy Lippy and welcome to Stream Aid, the show that gives you all the best streaming tips that the pros want to keep a secret. Most importantly, there's no self-promotion. I'm here to teach you, not to preach you, but all my info is below if you do want to know. So let's get on with the show. Right, so in this tutorial, we're going to be using the image mask plugin that's already part of OBS. Basically, we're going to be cutting out an oval shape, which is going to be our face, and putting it onto another scene. So we can turn into a dog, a cat, a horse. We could turn ourselves into a boat. I don't know, you turn yourself into anything. You don't need any green screens for this sort of stuff. So if you want to come with me, we're going to go into Google and we're going to search for an oval image mask. You can create the shapes yourself in Photoshop or something like that, but I'm just going to download this one just here. Save that to my desktop, which I've already actually done there. Image mask will just replace it anyway. As soon as you got that downloaded, come back into OBS. I've already set everything up in here just to make the tutorial a little bit shorter. So I've created a scene called face mask, and that's got my webcam in it. I'm using a Logitech C920, and I've also created a scene with a picture of a dog in it, which are my two dogs. This is Dexter, this is Winston. Say hello. Hello. Fantastic. So I'm going to go into the face mask first, and what I'm going to do is right click on it and go to filters, and then I'm going to press the plus and go to image mask and blend. We're going to call this face mask. What I'm going to do is go to browse and hit on my image mask. That'll load the image mask in. It might look a little bit weird like this. So it looks like a big square is just taken out at the moment. So we just need to change how we want it to react with the image mask. So I think we want the alpha mask on the alpha channel. So that basically cuts out all the PNG. So imagine that I'm using a green screen now, and then my face has just been cut out. And then you can basically change the opacity. So if you want to make yourself look a little bit ghostly, you could do. So I could be there hidden in the background and nobody would know, sort of thing. But I'm just going to use a fully fledged image at the moment. See how it doesn't quite match? You can still see other bits around me. I can actually make the picture bigger there by just making the source bigger. So I've got my face there. So I've cut it out. Perfect. Yay! What I'm going to do now is go across to the dog scene and then press the plus sign. I'm going to go into, where is it? The scene. I'm going to add a scene. And the reason why I want to add a scene is because I've applied the effects to the face mask scene. So you'll see I'll come up just in here. I can move myself over here. Make myself a little bit smaller. And now I'm a dog. Now I'm a dog. I'm not quite happy with that. There we go. Ah, I'm a dog. Hey, I'm a dog. Woof, 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 woof. So there you have it, donkeys. Nice and easy to get it all set up and running, cutting your face out and sticking it on something else. The possibilities with it are endless. You can use different shapes. You can cut out dogs' faces and put them on your face. You could do so many different things with it. Let me know what you get up to below. Please send me links to your live stream and I'll go and check them out as well. But if you've got any questions, drop that below as well, or come and speak to me face to face on the stream. Until next time, guys, put your rug for the stone. See you soon.